Are you tired of running out of space in your car during trips? Today, we're showing you the 5 best rooftop cargo boxes for 2024 so you can travel comfortably and in style. Stick around to find the perfect one for your needs, and don't forget to check the description for more details and purchase links. First up is the Thule Motion XT, the premium choice for space and aerodynamics. With a massive 610-liter capacity and an easy-to-use mounting system, it's the ultimate solution for long trips. Want to know more? Check out the description for details and the best deals. Next is the Yakima SkyBox Carbonite. Made with eco-friendly materials, it's durable and ideal for carrying sports gear or extra luggage. Click the links in the description for more information and where to buy. At number 3, we have the Crusber Paddock, an affordable and practical option. If you're new to rooftop cargo boxes, this lightweight and functional model is perfect. Learn why it's a top choice in the description below. The 4th model is the Sail Novo Roof Box, known for its water resistance and versatility. It's compact but durable, perfect for traveling in tough weather conditions. Find its link in the description. Finally, the modular case system stands out with its sleek design and large capacity. Whether you have a big family or travel frequently, this box combines style and practicality. Don't miss the details and purchase options in the description. Which of these cargo boxes is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, all the links to these top picks are waiting for you in the description. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We'll bring you more guides, comparisons, and tips for traveling smarter. See you on the road!